Alright, so we're setting up for Slimetopia. Hey, hi! What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Slimetopia 2 Day 1. This is the Saturday look right here. So we have all of our slimes lined up. We have Chanel, Baja, Mud Mask, Moon Pie Crunchy, Yellowberry Punch, I forget the names, Lavender Margarita, Dorito Loco Taco, Carnival Crispy, and Blood Moon. Have a couple other things like wristbands. We have our, what are these? Racket pins, you know. Oh yeah, and we have our tote here, apron, ice cream sundae bar of course.
The OG bar.
So the OG ice cream sundae bar, slime sundae. Yeah, the doors are gonna open in about like 30 minutes, so we're pretty excited. And we're doing a raffle too, so that's cool. Slimetopia, say hey! So cool. So here's a look at my booth here. Super cute. Got all the slime sundae bar. Let me take a thumbnail real quick before we start. I don't know, like, okay. Slime sundaes are being made over here. Super cool. Y'all wanna say hi to my vlog? Hey, hi. Hey.
Where y'all from? Washington. Washington, okay.
That's so hard to make.
So where you girls from?
Vancouver, Canada.
Seattle. Seattle. Yeah. Do y'all have an Instagram you want to shout out?
Dino done.
Hey. Where are you from? Say hi to the vlog.
Just got the slime from Sea Bunny Slimes. I really like it. It's a foam.
Okay, what are y'all doing? Making a sundae. Putting some sprinkles. Little chocolate chips. And a super cute. Good job. You're very welcome.
Alright y'all, so it is barely 12 o'clock. 2 hours has passed since the doors have opened. And we're already out of some slimes. Well, we're out of Chanel, almost out of Baja. This is the last that we have for today. And we're out of the slime sundaes. So, super cool. Hey y'all, what's up? Say hi. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the winning number. I'm shuffling here.
It's a blue ticket.
Yeah, it's a blue ticket. So you got a blue ticket and a half ticket. So I chose the winner here. You ready? So the winning number is going to be 980021.
Wait.
Oh, you think somebody got it? No. You got it? Awesome. Hey y'all. What's up? Okay.
There's a lot here.
Okay, so we are going to do, what are we doing? Thick and glossy, right? Yeah. We're going to be judging thick and glossy slimes right now. They're all numbered, and we're not going to even know whose this is. Play-Doh Slime and Slime Daddy here. So yeah, I need activator in my hands. We have a couple of different slimes here. And different heats. This is a pretty slime, but it's like, there's like some clay in it or something, so it's not like a true thick and glossy, in my opinion. But it's very pretty. It's cute. I like this one.
Oh yeah.
We love that.
This one's kind of stately.
Okay, I won't fully mix it. It's like not the thickest one that we got today, but it's nice. We love that.
This one's pretty thick.
Alright y'all, so we did first, second, and third. Great job y'all. We did fantastic. Hey y'all, so we're here at Slimetopia Day 2. Are y'all excited?
Super!
You ready to scoop all the slime today, Mom?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're Slimetopia Day 2. We have Firefly Slime here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Slime Sunday.
Yep, you can get whatever you want, honey. Okay. And then do you want, this is caramel, strawberry, or fudge chocolate?
I'm gonna go strawberry just to match this.
Yep. And then can I get any of the 2 of these and 1 charm? Okay.
Super cute.
Put a spoon, make it official.
Awesome. This one smells good for sure. Did you try this one already? Yeah. Did y'all like it? Yeah? Can you try that one again? This one is so hard, y'all. Right? I think that one definitely should be. Yeah.
They're judging to see which one's the thickest and the gloppiest.
And you said that you think you like this one better than this one? They're all like this one's super thick. I think so too. Right? Okay. Can we all agree on that? Yeah? Okay. Go off. Okay. Yeah, right? First, second, third? So we're gonna do first, second, and third here. Slime Kings. Awesome.
And then you can get some syrup if you want.
Oh.
Fudge, strawberry, or caramel. And you can add it now or later. You can drizzle it on top
Okay.
if you want.
Can I do caramel? Thank you. And then this one. Yeah, so this is Oreo. And then this. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
Alright, Slimetopia Day 2 is officially a wrap. We had a lot of fun. It was nice. We have a little bit of slime left over, so if you're watching this video, there's probably slime in the shop, so you should try to go ahead and snatch. And yeah, thanks to the Slimetopia team, it was fun. Thanks to everybody who came out in Auburn, Washington. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!